Hey, my name is Bob, and today I'll be going over your time cards using the ADP website. You'll first go to the ADP website, which is workforcenow.adp.com. You'll then sign in as normal, or if you prefer, you could also use the ADP mobile app. If you haven't created an account yet, click Create Account. You'll then enter in your registration code that was sent to your personal email. It should look something like this. The email should be from securityservices_no reply@adp.workforcenow.com. If you haven't received this email, please contact your employment counselor. Once you've entered your registration code, you'll then follow the next steps. When you're finally logged in, click My Time Card. You're now ready to add in your hours. To add in hours, make sure you're in the right pay period. Once you've done that, go to the day you'd like to change, and then add in how long you worked for that day. You'll also see this code next to the hours. Don't worry about this code as yours might be different, and that's okay. Once you've made the necessary changes to your time card, scroll down and click Save. Another important edit you have to make to your time card is deleting days you don't work. To delete days, we'll first have to go to the day we'd like to delete. For this example, I will use Friday. To the left of all the days, there is a button. Click that button, and then you'll have the option to delete the row. Click Delete Row, and as you can see, the day is gone. Now, as every change we make with our time card, we have to scroll down and click Save. As a PWEX employee, you might have accumulated some sick time. To enter in sick time, you first have to see how many sick hours you have in your balance. To do so, we'll click Time Off Balances. So as you can see in my balance, I have 21 hours of sick time. If you look over your balance and you think there's been a mistake, please contact your employment counselor. Now, to actually use this sick time, we'll go back to our time card. Now, let's say I was sick on Monday. So I'll go to the pay code on Monday and type in sick. I'll then click sick, and then of course, as we do with every change to our time card, we're going to scroll down and click Save. When you input sick hours and save, the day that you were sick for will be highlighted. As PWEX employees, there are some limitations on how many hours you can work. You can only work a maximum of 20 hours per week. So, when you're looking over your time card, make sure your week totals do not go over 20. Also, make sure your pay period does not go over 40. If everything on your time card is correct, you're now ready for the last step. The last step is to approve your time card. To approve your time card, just click the top right button that says Approve Time Card. That concludes everything you need to know about using the ADP website for your time cards.